So I just wanted to show you, this is an Amarok, we're putting a 22-inch wheels on it, but to do that we have to lift it first, otherwise the wheels wouldn't fit. So I'm going to show you the quality of our suspension lifts. So they're not a block lift, they're a full 4-stage RS kit that's comes in a sort of red leaf, or you can have an Old Man Emu. So you can have either. We've painted the calipers in a metallic blue, which is like a Subaru colour. So as you can see, 4-stage look, RS, really good quality, RS Performance shockers. So we fit those. That allows us to lift it, to give it that rugged look. But it's just a quality. So when people say, oh, you know, I can get a better suspension lift, well, just look at the quality of these parts we use. Look at this one's here as well. So complete uplift on the front there. Look, again, RS parts, 4-stage, so you can set them to how you want them. So if you want your car lifting and you want a decent suspension setup, we can do that on any pickup truck. So visit our website, Seeker UK. We have got a configurator, so you can go on there and style your own and configure how you want your suspension. Thank you for watching.